in a rural area is a completely different experience compared to the fast-paced life of a city. I moved to a small, traditional cottage a few years ago, and I have never regretted my decision. While the city offers excitement, the countryside provides a sense of peace and a much healthier lifestyle. My daily routine is heavily influenced by the seasons and the weather. On weekdays, I wake up to the sound of nature rather than the roar of engines. As I live in an area with many working farms, my morning often involves driving down winding lanes. I occasionally get stuck behind a slow-moving tractor or a herd of cattle. There are no traffic jams here, but you definitely need a lot of patience. In the afternoon, I spend as much time as possible outdoors. The landscape is breathtaking, with rolling green hills and vast woodlands. I frequently go for long walks along the public footpaths that cross through various fields. One of my favorite spots is a secluded riverbank where the water is crystal clear. If I'm lucky, I might spot some wildlife such as deer, foxes, or owls. Social life in the countryside is centered around the local village. Although we only have a few amenities, a small general store, a post office, and a traditional inn, there is a very strong sense of community. Unlike the city, where you might not know your next-door neighbor, everyone here is incredibly welcoming and eager to have a chat. Of course, rural living has its challenges. The public transport is quite limited, so owning a car is essential. Additionally, there aren't many options for nightlife or high-end shopping. However, the opportunity to breathe fresh air and live at a slower pace makes these minor inconveniences worth it. For me, the countryside isn't just a place to stay. It's a place where I can truly relax and feel at home. Do you live in the countryside? Tell me your favorite thing about living outside of the city.